Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off double tap to turn off the screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. Suppose if you are double tapping on the empty space in home screen, your phone screen will be locked. Okay, phone screen will be turned off and it's locked if you have set any lock screen. Okay, so if you would like to turn off this double tap to turn off the screen, yes, you can do it. What you go to do is go to the settings of your phone here and then go to advanced features and here select motions and gestures, and here select double tap to turn off the screen. Just to turn off this button, and then you will not get double tap to turn off the screen now. Okay, that is, if you double tap on empty space in home screen, your phone screen will not be turned off. Okay, see here. So in this way you can easily turn off or deactivate or disable double tap to turn off the screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.